It's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, Audi Advance Key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.